Welcome to SBCI's Slips, Trips, and Falls STF Prevention, Winter Footwear and Outdoor Traction Aids e-short. The objective of this e-short is to provide all school board staff with the awareness to prevent wintertime slips, trips, and same-level falls through two tools, winter footwear and outdoor traction aids. Additional tools can be found in the SBCI e-module, Slips, Trips, and Falls Prevention, Winter Conditions and Outdoor Surfaces. 4. Footwear. What does the law say about footwear in Ontario? Section 82 of OReg 851 states, 82. A worker exposed to the hazard of foot injury shall wear foot protection appropriate in the circumstances. Section 82 speaks to foot injuries. For example, steel-toed boots, not injuries caused by STF. It can be argued, from a STF injury prevention point of view, that the bottom of a shoe or boot, through its slip resistance, is more important than the top of the shoe or boot. What makes for good slip resistance? Think about what makes a good snow tire. 1. Surface area. The more contact area with the surface, the better. This includes the heel, as the heel is the first point of contact when you are walking. 2. Tread design. Configured to disperse water away from the footwear to the side, not to the front. Chevron-type channels that tend not to get clogged are ideal. 3. Surface material. Like a snow tire, a softer material that does not freeze hard and maintains flexibility is important. These three considerations are important when choosing slip-resistant winter footwear. When choosing winter footwear, here are a couple additional tips. Be aware that not all safety winter footwear is slip-resistant. Most safety footwear has puncture and impact protection, but may not be slip-resistant on snow and ice. As a consumer, determining how slip-resistant footwear is not easy. There is no green patch for slip resistance like there is for safety boots or shoes, but this is changing. Scientists at the Kite Research Institute, part of the University Health Network in Toronto, have developed slip-resistant testing method designed to reflect real-world slip resistance performance. This testing method, the Maximum Achievable Angle MAA test, or more simply, the We Tip Till You Slip test, is then used to rank the slip resistance of the footwear according to the following rating system. The Kite Research Institute updates their list of footwear tested on a regular basis. A result can be found at ratemytreads.com. Their testing is yielding interesting results. They have found that while surface area and/or tread, design and/or surface material are part of the slip resistance equation, other factors play a larger role in increasing the slip resistance on ice. These factors are the incorporation of newer technologies and compounds into the footwear. The brand names of these new technologies and compounds include Green Diamond, IceFX, and Vibram Arctic Grip TM. Kite researchers identified that Arctic Grip TM and IceFX soles perform well on wet, melting ice, and Green Diamond is more effective on hard, cold ice. So that's a lot of information about footwear, but it means, as a consumer, we now have new tools to use when shopping for slip-resistant winter footwear. We can look for the Kite Snowflake and/or brands that incorporate the newer technologies and compounds. Here are a few examples. 5. Winter traction aids. Another means to improve slip resistance are winter traction aids. Traction aids provide an added degree of safety during outdoor wintertime tasks for all staff, including custodial and maintenance work, yard and bus supervision, etc. They are products that are worn on your footwear that increase your walking traction. Traction aids have been around for well over 50 years and are available in a number of styles and traction materials. The four main types are 1. Full foot. Full foot provides the greatest surface area of traction. No area of the foot that contacts the walking surface is unprotected. The disadvantage is that most full foot products cannot be worn indoors, a major inconvenience. 2. Sole only. Covers the front 2/3 of the foot, but does not cover the heel, which we learned in the footwear section is the area of first contact within a normal walking motion. 3. Heel only. Covers the rear third of the foot, generally safer than the sole-only design, although the user is vulnerable as they push off with the front of their foot. 4. Midsole. While this style offers less surface area contact than the other three styles, it offers a huge advantage, that being convenience. Most midsole winter traction aids allow the user to turn the traction element, studs or screws, to the top of the boot when they are inside a building or vehicle, and then to the bottom of the footwear when outside. For this reason, midsole traction aids are a popular choice within Ontario school boards. Another option, used by school boards that prefer the full foot style, is to locate the traction aids at a building exit and provide a bench or seat so the user can don the traction aids, then directly exit the building. Alternatively, the newer transitional traction aids, which are designed to be worn inside and outside, provide another full foot option. Here are a few examples of winter traction aids used by Ontario school boards. When wearing winter traction aids, care must be taken not to be overconfident in their ability to prevent slips. Nothing provides 100% slip resistance. However, they provide an inexpensive, effective, and convenient tool to reduce wintertime slips, trips, and falls. Winter footwear and outdoor traction aids are just two of multiple control measures that can be used individually as tactics to reduce wintertime slips, trips, and falls, or collectively with other elements as part of winter weather safety plan. To explore the other elements, refer to the SBCI e-module, Slips, Trips, and Falls Prevention, Winter Conditions and Outdoor Surfaces.